feeling about this app? This is good for learning English. What did you find?
Yes, this is yeah. Actually, uh, if I say about my experience about this application is very good. For learner is very good.
Everyone, this is Sonam Jayant and I welcome all of you guys my 60-day English speaking challenge, and this is the 24th day of my challenge. And if you are a beginner, so immediately subscribe to my channel and be continue in this video, because I am sharing my all the secret about learning English. So to be continue, and today's video is going to be very special because I am going to spill the beans about my secret app. I have been using this app, it's almost 7 months, and I found it's very amazing for beginners, and you will sure be benefits in this app. So let me continue in the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
For experienced people, this is not much good because here is many new persons comes here to
Beginner.
practicing.
Yeah, beginners. Yeah.
Okay. So why you learn English speaking? What is the purpose?
Purpose is clear, and like I want to be fluent in English so I can teach my kids, as well as I can give like a tuition like a kids. So that's why I am learning, and in future if I will be a good tutor, then I will pursue my career in this field. Like I can be a soft skill trainer. There is so many option. After that the whole world is yours, so it's depend on you how you can use it
Okay.
well. So that's why.
Okay.
And what was your purpose? Why did
Actually,
you
my purpose, my purpose is like actually I visit many types of company now. So there people speaking English. That's why I am learning because my main purpose to communicate from others. So my main purpose is main communication to people actually, and my surrounding many people speaking English. And when I connect in my online not classes, it can be online session. When I connected with company session, so in my
your department is sales department, so you have to like handle all of things
yes.
and meetings, and so it's, and in English is compulsory in every field, and industrial area
Yes,
is very like.
and when yes, when I uh, connected in meetings, that times I have to present my presentation. So that times I am feeling not good actually. Actually,
Okay.
I have no more confidence because uh,
you are
you
you
do
are not consistent, so
yeah,
that's why it's happened with me
yes,
as well, because when I don't regularly practice, then I also feel the hesitation, and words doesn't come in my mind. So it's everybody's problem, it's not your problem, because we don't comes in like a English environment. So so that's why we forgot all the things. It's like a study. When we don't open the book, so we will forget. So we have to like we have to revision, time to time, then we can.
I think you are able to speak English very clearly because
And more interesting thing, like when you cut the call you will get the amazing feature, like after the practicing, like after the call you will get the feedback. Whatever you have made the mistake, you will get the feedback. And the most exciting thing is, like you will get the exercise related to your mistake. So that is the another benefit of this app. And I found it very really amazing for beginners because it's helped me a lot. And I'm damn sure you will get the benefit of about this app. Whatever your idea about this app, you can tell me in the comment section. And the more extra, like I will add the more thing, like guys, like I have used 4 5 more app, but I didn't find it like the future I have got this app. Because this app you will get the more feature, like you can connect with more AI character, like so many AI characters, so many AI you will get the so many AI features, like I will show you. And the most exciting thing about, I'm not promoting that because I'm just sharing my genuine like review your own course. And I have created so many times. When you install the app, then you can tell me it is right or not, because it's a very amazing feature. It's not it's not provide you simply call. You will get the so many exciting features about this whatever I have shared. So tell me in the comment section, did you find it is useful or not?